Hello, this is Daryl from Boatshed Riviera. Today we have for you a Swift Trawler 50. Just going to give you a little walk around the transom. And up the flanks you can see nice wide side decks, deep bulwarks with the side opening on the starboard side. Very big volume boat, lots and lots of space for our length. And I'll just resume when we go back on board. Okay, resuming on the Swift Trawler 50. As you can see, we're just coming on the passerelle onto the aft deck. Nice big cockpit. Cushions are in excellent condition. And as I mentioned before, you see the nice wide side decks. There's actually a door sealing up the cockpit. Nice big ground tackle, stern winches, big transom door, makes it very easy for access, and just generally lots and lots of space as we come in through the back door into the lounge area. To starboard you've got a nice L-shaped settee and table, and to port a sideboard. And hidden in the sideboard is a LCD TV that pops up out of the hatch there. Just up 2 steps and we're now into the galley area. Right in the middle of the boat, so it's very sociable. Got a dishwasher, oven, hob, extractor, lots and lots of storage. And then directly opposite is a fridge and a freezer. On this door you can see they're sort of drawer style. 2 freezers there. And on this side, there's your galley fridge. Now, resuming the video on the Swift 50 to port side. Little table here just for 2 people, seating. Directly opposite that is the helm seat with its helm position, all the nav instruments, excellent visibility, massive windows, lots of light, and as I say, very good visibility when you're cruising from the lower helm. And 1 step back from the helm, the side door, which is nice and convenient to the door from the side deck, straight onto a pontoon if you happen to be moored alongside. Full complement of Ray Marine. There is also a transom camera, so make it a little bit easier for manoeuvring astern from the lower helm. Right, from just to the side of the helm area, down a staircase. This leads to the accommodation. Straight in front of you as you come down the companionway, you see there's a heads washroom for the forward cabin. Forward cabin has a centre island berth. Please excuse the owner's linen on the bed there. Again, lovely big windows, lots of light pouring into this cabin, and even more with this overhead hatch. And turning back aft, down another 4 steps, we have first the bunks in the side cabin, nice and wide, but quite a bit of space, big hanging wardrobe, some drawers, and then again further aft into a midships master suite. A dressing table to one side here, another unit to this side with lots of drawers, hanging wardrobe space, and to starboard, nice big heads wash basin and a shower. port, the heads, and again another sink, so plenty of provision for all you want with the cleaning etc. down in the master cabin.